We're going to college. Insect flowers. Wait. Ito na yung... Oh, they're being flowers. This is their flowers. The rose is right there. Ayan. Here. The roses. The pink one or the red one? Ito. There, how much is that? There, $20. How much? Ano bang maganda? That's 15. You want that? You want this? Yung iba-ibang kulay. Like this one. Oh. Ang liit naman. It's tiny. It's pangit. Ito yung, kasi ito yung i-arrange mo pa. Ito yung mga i-arrange mo. Ang liit eh. It's tiny. Ano mo. Kasi yan i-arrange. Ang liit naman. Ano ba maganda doon? Ang liit naman. No, I don't want that. Wow, best mom.
Yan, best mom. Magkano yung best mom? Baka sale na yung best mom.
I'm pretty sure this is art. This is expensive kasi nakaayos siya.
27.
That's ano. Kasi arrange na siya eh. Sama-samang ano. At yung mga ganito.
51.
I don't know which one. This is 12. $15. Ito maganda rin to. This $16. Ito. Ito 8. Ayan, pwede pa. Walang tao masyado dito. You need to put the, ano pa, the plant first. Here. Ganito muna, tapos gagawin, ipupunin mo. Olga. So, yun. So, we go into the... Hi, Zach.
How good to Daisy?
Hi, Zach. Congratulations.
So we're gonna be in the boss room? Probably.
Hindi. Ando na sila?
Ano, sa labas. Hindi, uatras ko yung kotse.
Uy. Then open it. Buksan mo. Baka malaglag.
Hindi.
Wala, baka ba naman malaglag yung ano natin. Decorations. Bumaba na ba si Mother? So they're behind us. No. Bumaba na? Wala. And open it. Asan si Mother? Pumasok na? Open!
Oh.
Ibuksan mo na dapat. Ay, baka lumabas na. Should open it already. Habi, buksan mo na kaya muna.
Kaya mo si Mother! Nasa si Mother? Tawagin mo, please! May surprise kami sa kanya. Please, tawagin mo. Ha? Ano, forward ba? Ano ba?
Go forward.
Hindi, bubuksan mo lang yung ano. We're gonna move it anyway.
Ayos
Back
ko na.
and then
Ayos ko na.
forward some more. You got it?
Tawagin si Mother.
Close up na close up yung mukha ko sa akin. Baba na ba tayo? How are you gonna open it?
Sa likod.
Pag bumaba na, malamig.
Ayun ito, please. Yan, yung sira kotse ko. Ayun o. Ayun, nakita mo yun?
Ilalim.
Ayan na. Ayan, Happy Mother's Day na.
Happy Mother's Day! Hi, Papa Jerry! Happy Mother's Day!
Ayun na. Ito kay Mother. Bigat na eh.
Okay, ikaw magdala.
Here, there, bring this. And your
We have flowers.
flowers. Here, bring this for
Then you
more.
get umbrella too.
Marami po yan eh. Ito pa. Oh. Marami pa yan. Oh.
You're welcome. Oh, that's video.